Today we're going to take a look at on how to fix can't log into Instagram. So if you're trying to log into your Instagram account and Instagram is not letting you do that, there could be a few reasons. Firstly, try to check if your internet connection is stable, whether you're using a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you confirm that your internet connection is stable, the second thing that you need to make sure is if Instagram is not facing any issue. Many times Instagram's server will be down and you cannot perform any kinds of actions on Instagram. So that could also be the reason. If that is so, then you'll need to wait out a couple of hours until Instagram fixes its issues. If that is also not the case, now the third thing that you can do is try to update your app of Instagram. So open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Instagram. You can tap on update and update your Instagram app if there is an update. Updating apps helps to fix any kinds of bugs which may be causing that problem. Now the last thing that you can do is you can simply uninstall the app of Instagram like so, and then you can again install it, downloading it from the Play Store or the App Store, and then you can try to log in. And after you do that, you should be able to log in without having any issues. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all, and I'll see you in the next one.